Yeah, of course. I totally get that.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Brilliant! Brilliant!
Alien? I need this thing. I need this.
You have been banned
No!
for 16 days, 32 hours.
That's insane. 2 billion a second is insane.
Oh.
This is the best burn on the game. This is the best burn on the game.
My gosh. Okay, you can index it, bro. Now you can. Yo, can I have your toilet? Can I have your toilet?
Yeah, a little quick trade. Dude, what is this? 2 billion a second.
For the concept of the content, right? Everybody in the chat, you want to see him paint his arms white and black, right?
All this for brain rot. Yeah.
Hey, wait. Chaos is calling on another call.
Oh, let's answer. Hey, Kayla.
Nah. Dude, I literally drove to full display, bro. This is crazy.
Dude, I just lost.
Okay, come on. Where do we go?
One, because you did the challenge.
What?
No way. No way.
No way he's gonna spawn you an elephant. No way.
Wait, no way. Is it even Yang?
my god.
Strawberry. Steak got his elephant. Let's go. So that you deserve
Oh my
that.
gosh. No, yeah, I'm not even gonna try and steal it, bro. That's all you,
You
bro.
deserve that, bro. W Sammy.
My gosh.
We got a yin yang elephant, bro.
2.6 billion a second. What?
Wait, should we farm it?
No, bro, that would be disrespectful to Sammy.
Oh
Why would that be
my
Yeah, I think we're going there.
gosh.
disrespectful?
Wait a second. That's actually crazy.
Wait, that's the rarest one in the game. Gotta be.
All Sus Squad has a strawberry elephant now. Let's go.
Ever, where's the OG elephant? Come on. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. Oh my gosh, it's good. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Bro, that thing is mine. I'm buying it right now. No. No, let me buy it. No. I'm actually gonna let me buy it. No way. I'm actually gonna lose the elephant. No. Please. No. My only chance. It is 250 million a second. Oh my gosh. It's gone. Bro, I've been waiting forever.
Yes, bro.
Oops.
Oh my God, that's him. That's him. He says hi. Hello,
Come on, come on.
That's him right.
Now, it's
Hey,
not that-
why they keep spamming your name in the chat, bro? Wait a minute. I'm scared. Wait, I'm nervous. Oh, he joined in. That's him.
What do we need to catch? Is it?
That's
is
him.
it like a big fish?
That's him.
Oh, that's not that.
He says hi. Hello, Sammy. That's him right there, y'all. That's him. How are you? I'm good. Was up late playing video games, so a bit tired.
Oh, we don't do.
But I'm good. I heard you were looking for a strawberry elephant. I am actually. Funny you mentioned that. Oh man.
So weird.
He's got
That
nothing.
is so weird. I don't.
Probably because he can just spawn in anything he wants whenever he wants. Alright, funny you mentioned that. Wait a minute, chat. Wait a minute.
Cool.
Okay, I got you. Wait, you got. Wait, what's about to happen right now? Wait, what's about to happen right now? Wait, what's about to happen? Hold on. There's no way.
No, I thought you were critical.
Wait, what's he doing? Go find the elephant.
Why is it still raining, bro?
What?
I can't see you.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I don't want to be thank you so much. I think he said ... Wait, you're welcome. This is the greatest day of my life. Thank you so much. I know a lot of people would be upset because it's not a strawberry, but I will take this and be happy. I will take this and be happy. It is my new favorite brain rot. You know, I'm a... Whoa. Wait, what's he doing?
Oh, that's no.
Oh my god, Ad.
This massive flavor came out of that.
I will be back in a second. Guys, I'm back.
Strawberry elephant. Thank you so much.
And chat, you guys. I can't find like and there were all the squads. There were all the squads getting the strawberry elephant.